My name is Andrew Hitchcock. We've been living here in Moncton for about 15 years. Come from a small country setting up in northern New Brunswick. So since the installation of our solar panels, our average bill is about $50, which is basically our service charge on a monthly basis. There's a little bit of a variance account there that MB Power have, and of course the tax. So we've completely gone net zero and are certified net zero with our home. Very satisfied with the overall functionality, as well as the app that goes along with the system that shows us how much power that we're creating on a daily basis, monthly basis, so we can really see the total saving side of it by realizing on a monthly basis a net zero program. So on the side of personal, like I say, when it comes down to real true cost, and then looking at the cost inflation of power that's going on in our province, very simple decision to go to solar in order to eliminate your power bill. Customer service has been fantastic, so everything kind of has gone smoothly. The size of our system that we eventually went with was a 32-watt system, where most of the other companies that came in were just showing us, here's a 16-watt kilowatt system, and that was it. So they had a pre-packaged. It wasn't looking at the needs of the individual, it was looking at, here's what we have and this is what we're selling you. Kind of, that's our package. Solar, through the whole process, we're able to answer questions. There was an assigned person contact-wise that I was able to reach out to ask any ongoing questions, as well as project managers, and just much better flow from, hey, this is how much it's going to be, this is what we're going to do, to here's a piece of paper that shows everything that we're going to be doing. Power is becoming more and more expensive at a very rapid rate. 25% in 2 years roughly, we've had increases in cost of power. So we had bought an electric car, and we felt that, with the onset of an electric car, drawing from the grid just seems to be a little bit strange. So we did want to go solar just to kind of, be able to provide power for the vehicle. Solar itself has been fantastic to deal with. Been sailing along quite nicely since then. We've completed it to the point that the only other step really would be to add batteries to store the energy that's created so that we could go completely off of MB Power's grid.